Ahas ni Aurelio. Gumamit ito.
What's the story behind Darwin's finches, and why are they so important for biologists? The Darwin's finches are very important in defining evolution and supporting the theories behind it. But how this all happened? In 1831, a naturalist named Charles Darwin boarded HMS Beagle along the area of South America while the ship and the crew crossed the land surface. Darwin is free to observe and explore the island. In 1835, the Beagle arrived at Ecuador, specifically in Galapagos Island. He was surprised on what he saw. There were giant tortoise and green iguanas together with different varieties of birds, and he called it the finches. When he returned in United Kingdom, he examined it with another scientist. The scientist observed that the birds were all similar to single type of finch found on mainland of South America. They suggest that these types of birds colonized the Galapagos Island. However, the Galapagos finches were all slightly different from the original mainland species, and they were all different from each other. The differences can be observed and show distinct variation from their eyes, beak shape, and claw size. These differences were driven from having different food resources available to them. Some of them have long beaks and sharp claws, which is used to eat insects, while others have large beaks suitable for cracking food such as nuts. The reason of this phenomena is the distance between different areas in the island. Darwin concluded that the finches must have been evolved through time to be able to survive in a certain environment. Meanwhile, Darwin discovered new different varieties of birds all similar from each other but has definite variation from their common ancestor. Darwin observed and concluded that the variation can be seen both within and between different species, which give individuals that ability to survive and capability to reproduce. Therefore, competition arises, and here comes the phenomena of natural selection. He published it in his book on the origin of species. The theory of natural selection is agreed to be the most widely accepted theory when it comes to evolution and origin. The Galapagos finches is the supporting evidence that explains this theory. The question is the evolution among those birds still happening? This is what we're gonna find out.